So I've been working on replacing CV axle, and CV axle is in. When I was doing that, I noticed the transmission fluid is very milky, and the half-inch that thing slipped. Here's the filler hole right here, so it's 3/8. So that one looks reasonable. This one's not, so I'm gonna try T70. I'm gonna try to hammer this on. Hopefully it'll be able to stick, so I can get this nut out. So there also was something else. I tried T70, that did not work. Ended up using a Allen. I have a set. Not sure what size, and I was able to hammer it on there. I was already thinking to use torch here, but looks like I'll be able to get this nut off. So let's see here. Put a pan here. Do it by hand very carefully. This stuff is nasty. Yeah, this stuff is nasty. I'm not sure. Pretty sure it's overfilled. It's all milky. And I'm gonna get that nut off 3/8 right there. See if I. Hopefully that one's not gonna be that hard. Nope, it won't come up. It won't do it. So I gotta put some force on it. Okay, I was able to break it loose. The breaker bar and the 1/2" to 3/8 adapter. Okay, looks pretty clean. It's a lot of oil, so I believe it was overfilled. Let's see what this one is. H14, so this is a 14 Allen. I was able to drive that on there. So I got some gear oil I'm gonna put in here. I do have a spare nut somewhere. Should be able to use that. So I have the 6-speed from SCR Spec V, and I believe the nut should be the same. And never mind, it's actually loose. This uses 10mm Allen. So I will check the threads. It does look loose, actually looks smaller. So I don't believe it might be the same. Yeah, this is definitely not the same. So what I can do, actually put this back in. Just clean it up, put it back in, and then you don't usually change the transmission oil that often. Just put it back in. Just clean it up, put it back in, and then you don't usually change the transmission oil that often. Just put it back in. And next time get the right nut, because this would be it's magnetic, so you do want to make sure to have right one. Okay, it's still dripping, so what I'm gonna do is I have a brake cleaner. I'm gonna squirt it in there. So hopefully that will actually wash it out a little bit from the water. So it looks like it's doing its job. And then you just wait till it stops dripping completely. So that's back in tight. Just all I have to do is just wiggle it off, and that's it. I'm gonna put some oil in there. There's a couple ways to do it. You can use the flexible bottles. You can use the siphoning. Have some of this flexible, full synthetic stuff, or you can use a syringe. So whenever you do the fluid, make sure you don't forget to tighten up those bolts. And I also had it leveled with the jack. That way you'll know when it's overfilling. I'll test drive it and then see what will happen. See how it drives with the new axle and the new transmission fluid. Thank you for watching.